Crafting to me brings a peace and a quiet and a calm that I don't find many other places in life, and it's really healthy for me and my spirit, and I say it's good for my soul. I think it's good for all of our souls.
Getting in touch with our creative side can have significant positive benefits on our mental health, from improving mood to reducing stress, and experts say it can even promote optimism.
I enjoy crafting and making cards. I would make scrapbooks for my nephews. I started Simon Says Stamp at my kitchen table over 20 years ago, fueled by my passion for crafting, stamping, and all things paper crafting, and turned it into a passion that's beyond just a hobby. The name came from my dog, the Boston Terrier, Simon. And Simon, the name, has stuck with us. Our logo is my Boston Terrier, Simon.
As a lifelong hobbyist and crafter, Heidi inspires positivity to an entire community through her blog and social media channels. She believes that creativity sparks joy and a desire to share that with others. For Donna, whose granddaughter Kinley and her cousin Abby are visiting, finding crafty ideas to help keep them entertained is a challenge.
Now that the girls are older, I'm feeling a little left out and feeling like they have less time for me. So I'm looking for things that they will enjoy doing with me that we can do together. I was browsing on the internet, searching for ideas about card making, and I stumbled across a website for Simon Says Stamp. And it seemed like they had the perfect solution to what I was thinking about, and I can't wait till they get here.
The Simon Says Stamp warehouse stocks upwards of 35,000 items. From rubber stamps, scrapbooking supplies, card making, and paper crafting products, the website is a one-stop shop for the crafting community, including carefully selected items for all skill levels.
Simon Says Stamp has tools, inspiration, and supplies for everyone, from the beginning crafter to the expert crafter or even the artist. We have a monthly card kit subscription that has fresh seasonal products for you. We curate the products in that kit. We design the stamps. We get fresh ideas to you with how to use those stamps, and we include lots of other products in that kit that will help you make beautiful cards. Every order at Simon Says Stamp is hand-picked, hand-packed, and hand-shipped. Crafting can bring the family together because it's something that all ages can do, from young kids to older grandparents.
Hey girls, the stuff is here.
Yay! They can come together and they can do an activity together, like make cards or stamp, so you don't even need to know how to draw to be able to stamp. Now we even have a beginner kit. And so in that beginner kit, we have products that anybody who's getting started stamping might need. Inks, glue, scissors, stamps, of course, cardstock, envelopes, things that a card maker especially would want to use for stamping. Card making is so popular because you can do it all year long, and there's always a reason to make a card.
Abby, what are you making?
I'm making it for my best friend.
Oh, that's nice. Kinley, what are you making?
It's a secret.
Oh, I can't wait to see it.
There's a sense of joy in the community, in our crafting community, where we're making things and we're able to connect. And I'm in this beautiful position of being able now, after all these years of being involved in the craft industry, to understand what people want. And now I have the ability to help make those things come to life. We've innovated many of our own tools, many of our own products, because we're hearing what other people in the community are asking for and looking for. So at Simon Says Stamp, we try to provide the right tools so that people can experience their best creative self.
If you're looking to amplify your art, stock up your craft room, or simply find inspiration, visit simonsaysstamp.com.